Hello guys. So I did ask some of you guys to break down your pinch pot and to cover it. Cover your clay in a wet towel so that it's nice and soft and plastic so that we can use it again, okay? Then what I did ask some of you guys is to combine that clay with your new batch of clay, and you should have a big lump, and both parts should be soft, and you should be able to wedge it and knead it, okay? So I'm gonna do that now. I'm going to get both of my clay pieces and knead them so that it is nice and ready to work on, okay? So again, all I'm doing is getting my clay together. So that I'm able to make a pinch bowl. Once you do this, we do that so that it doesn't have any air bubbles in there. But what I'm going to ask you to do is pack it in to a ball. Now you want a ball, not an egg, okay? So again, some of you guys, I could still pack it in a little bit more. So some of you guys have a bigger ball, and that means that you used the 1 pound of clay that you didn't use, along with the pinch pot that you broke down and made plastic, okay? So again, some of you guys are gonna go back to having 2 pounds of clay or a little bit less, and it's nice and plastic. And then some of you guys, because you're going to fire your pinch pot, you're gonna have just a small little ball of clay, okay? Which means you have about just 1 pound. This one is a little bit, almost like 2, okay? In any case, if you have the bigger piece, if you recycled your clay and you mixed it up with the new clay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this ball, you're gonna cut it directly in half, okay? So you're just gonna cut that, and you're only gonna use half of it. You're only gonna use half of it, okay? Now, what happens is the inside, this kind of bends a little bit. I shouldn't have any air pockets in there, but if I have a couple of little small ones, I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm gonna pinch it anyway, okay? So I am going to use this piece. Let me remind you that I cut it straight in half, only if you have the recycled clay and the new clay mixed together. Now, if you have the smaller ball, because you're gonna fire your pinch pot, you're not gonna cut in half. You're gonna do 1/3. Okay, again, you're not gonna do 1/2. You're gonna do 1/3. And that's because I don't want your bowl to be too small. And again, this is only if you're going to fire your pinch pot. That means that your little ball is a little bit smaller. This is about 1 pound of clay, so I don't want to cut too much off, okay? We're just gonna cut 1/3 off, okay? In any case, if you take a look at this one here and this one, notice how both of them have flat bottoms or flat tops, okay? They have a flat section, okay? So at this point, we're all doing the same thing, okay? Now we're ready to pinch, and what you're gonna do is, just like we did the pinch pot, you're going to put a thumb just very, very lightly. You're gonna start to squeeze in there, and you wanna get that hole, or that pit, the hole there, okay? Think of this as a peach or an avocado. If you take out the pit, then you have that hollow space inside, okay? All I'm doing is, again, you wanna make sure you don't puncture through the outside there. And you wanna always make sure that you hold it, you cup it with the palm of your hand like so. You go ahead and you squeeze, okay? At this stage, you guys know what to do. You pinch all the way around, and the goal is to get the thickness the same all the way around, okay? So if you look at me, my piece, it's clean inside, And that's because all I do is wiggle my thumb. Now, notice how thick that is. I'm gonna keep going and going and going until I have my nice, soft, and even walls. I shouldn't have too much of an uneven rim, and that's because we had that flat area, that flat surface. So again, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep pressing this. And again, inside, I'm just going to squeeze lightly, use my thumb, I'm gonna wiggle it. And I'm gonna keep in mind all my thickness all the way around. So as I'm doing this, and you're gonna notice that the shape is that of a bowl, okay? It's not a pinch pot anymore, it's that of a bowl. Obviously I can clean this up, I can cup the bottom a little bit more, but in essence, this is what I have, okay? And again, I'm just gonna perfect this as I go, and you're gonna see this on the assignments. These are the things you don't want, okay? You don't want something that's this thick. You cannot turn this in and call it a win. That is super thick, okay? So you need to pinch this a little bit more. So you don't want this. You also have something like this, which is nice for the most part, but the top needs to be trimmed. The problem is, if you measure this, it's less than 2 inches. So what I'm gonna have you do, again, I know it's hard to see there, it's less than 2 inches. That's the 2-inch mark. And if I put my knife right around it, it's less than 2 inches. The criteria for this assignment is for your pinch pot to be a minimum of 2 to 2.5 inches, okay? So this is nice, but after we trim that, it would be less than that. This one is nice too, but it's big. And at the same time, it doesn't fulfill the 2-inch marking after I even this out. Now for this assignment, guys, 2 things. You're not gonna need a foot, you're not gonna need little feet or a foot. You just wanna make sure that you tap it and it's balanced. You are gonna need a design, and all the instructions will be in the project description along with the rubric and this video, okay? Another thing you don't want is a crummy rim. And at this point, I'm gonna have to shave some of that off. It's not gonna be, I'm gonna lose some of the height, so I don't want that. This is very crummy. So again, this is another piece you don't want. This is more or less what you want, okay? I still need to fix this. And as long as you have this straight and horizontally leveled, as well as 2 inches with the design, you're gonna be good to go, okay? So you might wanna get a ruler if you don't have one, or use something that's 2 inches in height so that you can use it as a guide tool, okay? But that's how you do your pinch pot, okay? Other than that, guys, any questions, please email me. This is just a short video. I hope you guys are successful, and I will talk to you guys, okay?